What is up, guys? Danny this side. In this video, I'm going to show you the Canva AI tutorial, and I will show you 10 plus AI tools which are inside Canva. So on the left side, you need to click on Canva AI after coming to the Canva's website. And after that, here is the Magic Studio of Canva. So from here, you can click on Design for Me. And after that, in the Design for Me section, you have the social media, the presentation, marketing, cards and invitations, logo, and these are the five types which you can choose from. Let's say I'll choose social media, and after that, in here you need to choose the format like the Facebook post, Facebook cover, Instagram post, Instagram story, and you have so many options. Let's say I need to create an Instagram post, and then describe your idea. As you can see, I have given it the prompt to create an Instagram post featuring an Instagram post for car guys. And let's see what the result it gives us. As you can see, these are the posts that Canva AI has given us here. And let's say I like this one, so I can just select and edit it. Let's say I need to give it 12 days, so I can give it 12 days. And then I'll just simply click on this white portion to save it, and it saves automatically. And after that, you can just also edit all these text. And when you select this, you can change the color. Let's say I like this color. As you can see, the color palette has been changed. And so this one, as you can see, the color was changed. So now let's create another one. I'll just click on Canva AI once again, and I will just cross these everything. And after design forming section is done, I'll click on create an image. And after that, I need to choose the style. Let's say I need put in a cinematic concept, and then the aspect ratio should be 16 by 9. So I will just give it a prompt to generate a sports car, and I'll hit enter. And after that, this will load and generate me a sports car. As you can see, this has generated me some sports cars. I can simply download them. Or when I click on the three dots, I can copy this image. I can also delete this image. And if I want to edit it, I'll just simply click on edit. And then in the new tab, the editor will open wherein I can edit all uh, about all the settings of this image. Let's say I want to animate this. I want to remove the background. I want to edit it. I can do much more things than I expected. So this is a really good and magical tool. When I click on Animate, and I click on this website or OGV, so as you can see, this is what it looks like. Let's say I need to select the shake zoom, and then on enter, I want to keep it the animation. I'll keep it like this. And then when I click on the three dots here, you have to apply colors to page. You can set the image as background. You can add alternative text. And then you have multiple options to choose from. And when your editing is done, you can just simply click on share and then you can copy the link. And if you want to send to everyone, click on anyone with the link and then copy the link. After that, you will be able to send the link and then they will be able to access this link. And when you are done, just simply come back. And then now let's explore the another one, which is draft a document. When I click on draft a document and I select the type, let's say a blog post, and after that, I can just give or describe my idea and I can bring it to life. And after drafting a document, I'll just click on code for me. Then this will code for me even the hardest coding language. Canva can do it easily. Let's say I want to give it the command glossary, list builder. This is the auto command. I have just simply given it. And after that, this will design a custom code, as you can see, in its own way. And when the code is done, you can just simply copy and paste it to your laptop or PC's code editor. And after that, this is the another tool, which is create a video clip, but this is for the pro ones. And if I want to do some editing with the proper image, with the dedicated image, I'll click on this plus icon and then I will simply add the image and I click on use image. After clicking on use image, I need to describe that what I want to do with this image, and then Canva will help me do and get the results. And if you want to generate some templates, you can just click on templates and then you can search and generate millions of templates to choose from. And you can also just create your own custom template. And when we come back to this Canva design or Canva AI again, you also have the option to just speak and give your command. Let's say you don't want to type, or via some reason you are not able to type. We can just simply use this mic option, and when you click on it, you can just simply allow the permission, and then you can write your command by just giving your own voice. And that's not it. You can just take help from Canva in these sections too. Like you want to create some printables, you want to create a website, you need to create a video, a photo editor, a social media, a presentation, whiteboards, documents, sheets. Canva has literally everything. So that was all for this video, everyone. I hope you find this helpful. Thank you for watching.